Now, good morning. My name is Joy Eze. Please, if you are new, subscribe for my YouTube channel. Now, good morning. And also, I could not imagine say why I'm not going to see me online again. They see me for YouTube, Facebook, Bobo. I always say small. I'm just a little bit stressed. Let me just call it occupy. I don't come because for this my channel, na pidgin English, normal. I would they use our Nigeria English. As I said, they tell una from the beginning. Say, that be everybody where you see will come out for media. That be all of them go school. Some of them your graduates. The graduates those that they find work, those that they write anyhow, they comment anyhow for media. Now good morning, una do. Today, so now wetin carry me come out today, so now I can't talk about wetin happen for Nigeria, wetin happen for Igbo, wetin happen for Biafra. It just be like say this Igbo of 18, they abandon us. This Igbo, who they shout Igbo. Make una know say this Igbo who they talk, so make una know say na still human being, na dey for that place. We are all human being, not animal. Because what they happen for Nigeria, and the thing they surprise me, and the thing it they make me find reason they make me the verse. The man say I'm not in Nigeria, but what they happen for Nigeria, it they verse me. Just imagine wetin happen. Is not on the 16th? Is it not it? On the 16th, which is yesterday, I believe yesterday. Then they share the video up and down for Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. They post now up and down the worker. That thing will happen, guy. My dear, my people, my Nigerian people, it pay me a lot. They go say make Biafra not go, make Biafra not go. One Nigeria. Make I hear anybody say one Nigeria again. I don't know what I want to go to. That fire won't burn that mark. Then I go help me burn the person. I don't know what I want to tell now. Until like one Nigeria again, it's myself even 10 Nigeria self. Because I never inside the verse. I never come and say some lie. I just say I just still based on some kind things. So I just see the do it. You see the take my time. She understand. But today, now say my come out. I suppose don't they wear clothes. Unless I don't already dress up. I'm going out. So that's okay. But you see this short video. Telling my people no say wetin dey happen. I say they see but I no wan come out. See market, Onitsha market or Chanja market, the whole Onitsha. We be so that no so Onitsha ahead of Nigeria. Without Onitsha, Nigeria cannot live. All the whole goods so they buy for Lagos, so they go buy for Abuja, Lagos, different place, no Onitsha. Except the ones we dey from abroad, they send come Nigeria. Except that one, the rest goods now from Onitsha. The rest goods, everything now Onitsha. The whole thing what about they produce on Onitsha, they say, oh. The whole thing when even Europe people they carry the call, UK they carry on Onitsha, they say, oh. Onitsha they market, oh. Sure that they get me. This thing now when they inside media everywhere, when they show everywhere, nobody go say never seen her. When we say Onitsha market, bonfire, a whole Ochanja market, a bonfire, fire burn for complete good 5 hours, more than 5 hours. Man not go live. More than 5 hours, that market stay bonfire. No fire brigade, no fire service. Nobody even there to stop that fire. On I go say na one Nigeria. Which kind one Nigeria? See that got a motor, but they run inside street. Just imagine if you now look this video very well, I go see that got a motor inside market. That got a lorry be this one, so inside market. Tanker inside market. For crocro afternoon, you go see tanker, trailer, tipper, go they run inside streets where leg they pass. That rubbish cannot happen in abroad. This abroad where me are you there, so that kind of rubbish cannot happen. Trailer get in your way, tipper get in your way, lorry get in your way, train get in your way. When they pass, you say trailer, tanker wey carry fuel one pass na highway. Now you go wrong. You no go wrong when school children they go. You no go wrong when market people they go. Because anything can happen. See that tanker, whether that tanker now when they say I fall for Onitsha market there. That tanker which we wait for me, oh, they say me judge this case because the way me they judge my own case, different than the way one of those judge, they judge their own. They say me judge this case for my own way to judge this case, eh? That market where you see when bonfire, so that market, that's fire, so it be like set up. When I don't set time, when I forget to take weekend and the color. Or when I forget to take weekend Biafra. Take wicked Igbo people. Ọkwa n'ụlọ Chineke punish unu hụrụ nga unu ha na-agba mgbe okpuru niile ọkwa n'ụlọ. Sure they get me. Since when I watch that video since yesterday why I watch it, I never eat. No nature. Now I make Nigeria stand. Onitsha and Aba. Now I hold Nigeria. Now the same that Onitsha with Aba. Now I make Buhari not really let Igbo people go. The same Onitsha and that Aba. Now I make on President Buhari not really let Igbo people go free. If they remove Onitsha, remove Aba, Igbo don't empty. Because we all know Imo State in a school area, in a student area. Oh my God. I don't know how people to the reason. I don't know. Fire burn for complete how many hours? The fire, they watch the way. The fire, they go to the video. Enter gutter, through gutter, burn everywhere. For the talk, they say, they go to say they lie. Now they see this, then they see the fire. If they come, we never reach here. Now they see what happen for Onitsha market. This is Onitsha market at Ochanja market, head of Nigeria. And I said that one Nigeria. How is I want to be one Nigeria? On our double I think we can't have the Carlo. I mean I don't want to we can't Buhari. When they watch this video, why they show they give on us so. Now we say Nigeria won't become one. Nigeria can never be one. Nigeria can never be peaceful until they share that country. Until they let Biafra when they go free. That go to when they carry trailer, they kill everybody they go. I never see when they carry that go to come out, jail them or be and say how much she go pay. See that go to motor for that place. That go to motor don't cost a lot of souls. Because they get money, nobody won't bring that man come out for book. All those that trailer now will destroy all those things now. The owner who get that trailer, he dey London, he dey abroad, he dey Europe, they enjoy their life. On a day there's war. On a day that person they say is a chair, there is a chair, they go they hate person. People when they destroy Nigeria. Today also make a come out, not be only Europe men I go they face. Man still face Nigerian people. On a bad character too much. On a bad character too much. If na banana my brother, on a bad character. On a too get bad character. See this fire and I look at me, they follow gutter. When I watch this video very well, this fire, they follow gutter. Now gutter this fire just the pass they go so now. And I see fire go for complete 5 hours. 5 good hours. In Europe country, this rubbish no go happen. In America, it no go happen. When our son and children go America, go school for America, go school for Europe country. But for Nigeria, they no go do and well. May God punish you. Now those are big men. Well, don't go use most children. They do ritual finish. Don't become big man. They oppress the masses. They oppress the poor people. See billions of money we just waste. We go tell me say which country fire go bomb market for good, not before night or for good 5 hours, 6 to 7 hours, even more than 10 hours. Fire still they burn, no fire brigades. Billions of money. Tomorrow now they begin thief pints. Who in fire in shop go begin thief pints. Who in shop go begin thief bra. Who in shop go begin do kidnapping. Which kind human being you people be? Now they see the fire till they corner they see am. When I bless say joy they lie yo. When I say with una eye. When I go my YouTube, when I go tap Miss Gold, and I go watch and I go see the video for them. Miss Gold, I go see the video for them. Who does that? What do they worry on that? Somebody need to talk sense. Give us our Nigerian president there. That's half human Buhari when they put for chair there. Somebody need to speak sense. I remember when I share my video. Anybody in this video, I'm gonna help me share it. Or this whether use less cripple day. That weak man. That lost bank camera, maybe somebody talk to that man. That cripple, that imbecile. Now they see the fire, now they see the fire. That's also I tell some other people inside building. Oh my God. I watch this video, not eat. I watch this video, not feel rest. I watch this video, I don't feel do anything. What a wicked word. Which kind of wicked word me and you did so? This one now, we say don't born finish. You never born. This one, you never born finish. Say again. Like they say, ndi Igbo agugo, Igbo no na Biafra agugo. Unu mre kudu jime gidu Nnamdi Kanu, kudu jime Igbo Biafra. South Africa key Igbo people. Nobody talk about it. All the whole people they keep for South Africa, all of them are Igbo boys, Igbo youth. We go hustle, we go make money. South Africa today nobody talk about it. We not hear anything about it. We lock up. Eh? Which kind of wicked word we dey so? Una go kill people, kidnap, una go kill with arm robbery, una go kill with hanging, una go kill with different way. Una go still kill with fire. Now who are condemned mad? Are you seeing people property? Now they see people property, people investments. People who get this shop, they get mama, they get papa, they get wife, they get children. Some of them are children, they university. Some of them, their wife, they labor. Now they see what happen. Now they see what happen. Eh? Now they see what happen. Somebody need to talk sense, give all this our Nigerian leaders. Our Nigerian Buhari. Eh? Now they see what happen. Eh? Wanna take time. Wanna just suffering, wanna mind on ourselves. Buhari, you know what to make Igbo people go? We are ready to go. We are ready to go because this thing like it don't too much. Because what the only thing they happen for Igbo lands, what they happen for Igbo, I never see when Buhari come at call interfere. I never see when Buhari come at call interfere. This thing will happen now, I never hear Buhari words. If another Europe country, this thing for happen, give the government before 2 to 3 hours, the government itself don't do that place to compensate the people when it happen, to console them. I never see on a leader. He did London, they take treatments. That one bar not agree off. Nigeria vote for Buhari because Buhari get one bar, so he go quick move. I say, yeah, I don't take move. Now make Nigeria take vote for Buhari, make for quick move. Make better person for enter the Buhari not agree move. Buhari one bar not agree off. Ogbeo, we go punish you. Cause I dey vex for Buhari, Shame on you people, shame on you those useless leaders when they're Nigeria. Eh? Now don't thief pints. Now put it for Yahoo boys' heads. What I want to be the Yahoo boys. Now our Nigerian leaders, Nigerian government, they be the Yahoo, that they be the Yahoo where we know, and then they thief pints. After that thief pints finish, don't become what you want because I'm not going to do anyhow. What did they worry on now? Why worry where? Maybe every day we talk about Europe boys. I talk about Europe boys. Man, still talk about Nigerian people. Now get bad character to our leaders. Fire go catch for complete good 5 hours. No fire brigade. What is 5 hours? What are 5 hours now? People went die now. They never bring the list of those who die now. No, only 2 people now, the yesterday, there be 3 people, the yesterday, there people went die, many pass that one. All those dead bodies, now, baby, don't go kill all those dead bodies. Because if accidents happen, now all those fake doctors that take the see money, if you don't go kill all those dead bodies, so now, we go punish you now. I don't even know what make God still leave Buhari for that post. Eh? They all carry robots come out for us, they lead us. And this now they call they cry put. Now did they cry put. Now the Kalu they cry put. Now the Kalu they cry. They don't say this man are jubrin, this man are fake. Buhari are fake. Buhari is a fake man. Mona come they go to print Buhari. Buhari is a fake. But they go do DNA test of Buhari. Buhari is a fake. He's a weak man. Hold your country. Hold your country. Say Igbos are the whole Nigeria. Now Igbo na they be the Nigeria. Now what you wipe out the whole Igbo come out. Now don't kill them for South Africa. Buhari say make Igbo people they come back. Make for say they take kidnap them where. Tomorrow they go say Igbo na ritualists. Anybody will go do ritualists now you are free because the way this way I tell bodies na ritualists and they end down. Now go they end down. For people, those who get that shop to recover their money, now blood money, now they end on this kind of thing, my guy. Now they end on this kind of thing, guy. It's good to know, tell ourselves the truth. Because what happen for that place, so the money we waste for there, so oh my God, if you no money we waste, if you no the kind of money we waste for that on the chance, so now I'm not going to talk. Now blood money if you recover that kind of money, because Buhari don't pay that kind of money, because we have useless presidents. For them to to help people. They use the money, they buy their vote, they buy votes, they go. All of them vote for Buhari, she won't accept, because even my voters card, what they do voters card, and they do say, take go vote for one corner. They do say in case of like bank issue or anything like, because me I like money pass Buhari. Because I don't say Buhari like money, because if Buhari like money, go use the money to invest. Because since Buhari take that post, I never see one thing where Buhari do come out when they fetch money. Now cow now all those Fulani, all those cow people. Fulani, now those cow Fulani. They're gonna carry Fulani people who not get human sympathy, make they rule Nigeria. No, they just say Buhari that is not from Nigeria, it's from Fulani. Fulani are boo, and not fair no before. When they vote, give Fulani when they lead cow up and down. Even the cow where Buhari they lead self come from better pass Buhari. Because even the cow where Buhari they lead self, the cow even get useful pass Buhari. If you go kill cow now, you take cook now, you go chop wine, you go fat, your body go come out, you carry cow, give children go chop, their brain go open. But Buhari, if they kill them, what did they don't take Buhari take to? He waste. Who keep Buhari? They don't want shopper. He meat waste. For that to keep Buhari, I go kill that cow. Because me even value that Buhari cow self pass Buhari. Because Buhari will ordain the one come man. Chineke na punish pegi. Alo kumwem ni nyepego nyono abra na nkarashi. Nne moche na-ekwu okwu ugbo bụ ndị ọsị bịa nwa ị ga-ata ahụ dịla gịnị. Buhari ga-ata ahụ dịla ya ni. Ma Buhari na-echari. If you refuse to repent, you will suffer. Buhari, I bet you, if you refuse to repent, you go suffer. You go suffer thing. Useless Buhari. Now, because I had a quick they curse person for me, they come and begin they curse people. Now they too quick because I must tell you what way relate to curse. I must tell you what way relate to curse. My just curse Buhari. Now man don't say me curse Buhari. Man don't say I dey for among of those who curse her. Because these people where Buhari they hurt, so they are my people. They are my people. They are my people. People where Buhari they hurt, so they are my people. They are Biafrans. They are my people. They mad. They are my people. Ige butcher you fuebe. Igla na South Africa ga-agbu anyị ebe a. Giga na prison obodo ebe ụmụ Igbo juru ya. Giga na America ụmụ Igbo juru ya. Giga ebe oligra ụmụ Igbo juru ya. Ebe ola anọ na-egbuge ndị mmadụ ọwụ ụmụ Igbo ka na-egbushi. Buhari ihe nke ha ogini. Buhari cannot stand by us. If Buhari hears that thing concern Igbo, no go see Buhari. If Buhari don't say this thing concern Igbo, no go see Buhari. But if it concern the people, Rakwomi, all those Rakwomi people, you go see Buhari. And no man knows who around. Only one na agi. I said, by using this short video, if I wear clothes, go where they go. When I share my video, when I send message, go give Buhari. If Buhari don't think they want those people that shop buffer, make it go to Hambo. If all those people that shop buffer, if they won't get anything what they want to do, maybe they face Buhari. Because all those tankers when they run for inside streets, by right, tank are not supposed to run for streets. Tank and a highway they run. Fully station, now along the way they build fully station puts. They don't carry fully station now go build up for inside streets for Nkoro. When they don't say tank along, if you want bend, you go hard to bend. I know this one Nigerian drivers, they don't know where they go school. Nigerian driver, if they find where illiterate from starts. Now for Nigerian drivers, know why they break pencil. All those drivers, now ask them whether they go school. If you lie, they lie. All those tipper drivers, all those bus drivers. Now all those drivers, they wait they see for that place. So now they graduate from, now they illiterate from starts, and they from ends. Driver, police, soldiers, now they Iboku. No why even they go driving school. For abroad, they will be there. You know if you drive motor, so you all move and say, whoa, you just start car. Without saying you know you don't go your driving school. You know go fit try. Nigeria go they do mechanic. They don't already let where brake the day. Don't let where kick day. Maybe the organ don't teach them where kick. There where brake they don't let motor. They don't carry vroom enter roads. The next week you see they don't enter person house. They don't enter building. Mona take time at the verse for now. No time to check time. I dey vex all of una. Mona mind on herself. Buhari, Nigerian government, Nigerian president, Nigerian senator. Mona take time. I dey come for una. Be like say now, me won't get time for una. I won't get time for una. You get the one man now when we walk out talk to now when they shake Instagram, they shake Facebook for Edo State, and they come for that one. That one we do it like all the money when they shop now, you don't begin the purge. Maybe my next video by tomorrow, next tomorrow. Now yeah, they come for. Now though, now that still remain on again. I'm not quote me wrong because the thing they vex me because now my people now they kiss so. Boko Haram they kill my people they kill. Boko Haram they kill, they burn church. Boko Haram they say Boko Haram are not. Let the front they burn. But it could make me and you talk the truth. That not when Boko Haram they burn. Na Igbo people, na food there. And that Catholic when Boko Haram they burn, those churches when Boko Haram they burn. Na Igbo people that they get Catholic. Na Igbo get Catholic and they get sermons, and they get assembly. And then they go those church. Ndị Igbo na-aga ụka mala ha. Ndị Igbo na-ala ka na-agụ ụka ololo ọhụrụ. Gbaka ndị Igbo na-agụ ụka ololo ọhụrụ ndị Igbo na-agụ ụka oge gboo. Ụka nne na nna anyị bidoro, nne na nna anyị bidoro oge gboo. Ụka ndị Igbo na-ala ka ha na-aga. Ugbu a na ihe ọjọọ jukasịrị ebe niile ka ndị Igbo na-aga ebe a na-ebu amụma. Ndị Igbo na-aga ebe a ga-asị ọgbụgbụ ndị enyi dịrị instant miracle. Ka ndị Igbo na oge mbụ ndị Igbo na-eji ike agụ dịka ụka. Betu ugbu a na ndị mana nọ n'ime kọmputa world ndị Igbo ebido tiwezi isi n'ụka nda. Betero ndị agha na-egbu n'ụzọ ije. Ndị ụmụnna anyị ka ha na-egbuchi. Ụmụnna anyị ka ha na-egbuchi. Ke kasị m agwa ụnụ. Bikono, I'm Joy Eze. Make sure you subscribe for my YouTube channel and make sure you share. I love you all. God bless you. See you next time.